Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make a very nutritious banana oat smoothie. So I just got back from the gym and I'm very tired, but I was going to have my banana smoothie which I have every single day, and I thought why not show you guys how to make it, because I want you to try it out and tell me how it is. So this banana smoothie, it's so thick and nutritious and yummy, and I'll show you how to make it. So let's get started. So now, in order to make our banana oat smoothie, we will have to put all the ingredients in the blender or mixer. So I'll take a banana, I'll just roughly chop it. You can take as much as you want. I'm using 2 frozen bananas. Okay, and then I'll put 1 cup oats. It's actually 1/3 cup of oats, as you can see over here. Now I'll put 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and then I'll just take the same spoon and I'll just put 1 tablespoon of honey. We don't need much honey because the banana is already sweet. So, and we are not using sugar because it's not good for health. We are using honey, which is very good for health. A little bit more, yeah. So like 1 or 2 tablespoons you can use. And I'll just scrape the remaining honey because we don't want to waste anything. Okay, so now we'll just use a little bit milk first. We are adding milk slowly, and I'll just put on the lid and we'll just blend. Just see how it is. As you can see, the mixture is blended, but we want more. We want it to be blended more. So what I'm going to do is that I'll just put some more milk. If we put the entire milk inside at the start, then it won't blend properly. So we are using a little bit at a time. Now let's see. Yeah, the mixture is blended nicely. Thick banana and oat smoothie, and now I'll just put the remaining milk and blend it properly. Just 30 seconds more. So as you can see, our smoothie is ready. I'll just show you the consistency. You can make it thick by reducing the quantity of milk, and you can make it lighter by increasing the quantity of milk. But usually smoothie is supposed to be thick, and the frozen bananas, make it at chilled temperature, so you'll have your smoothie very cold and nice for summer. And if you don't have frozen bananas, then you can just add few ice cubes and the room temperature banana. It will work just fine. So I'll just pour it in the glass and I'll show you how to present it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the process of making this smoothie, and now you watch how I have it. It's damn yummy. Please do try this recipe and let me know how was it. Do let me know in the comment section below. If you have any feedback or suggestion, please let me know. And please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Let's make everybody healthy with such recipes. I'll be coming more with such recipes. And also, I'm sharing this video link on all my social medias, on Instagram, Facebook, everywhere. So do check it out and follow me over there as well. So I'll see you in another one. Bye.